Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some elegant glam Christmas decor. So what you're going to need some of these icy gems. They're from Efavormart. You'll also need some silver glitter. I picked this up at Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you'll need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a round mirror, one of these black lattice candle holders. You'll need a fishbowl shaped candle holder. You'll need some Mod Podge, and I also have some foam board from Dollar Tree. Now this will come in a very large sheet, and you can just cut it to the same size as the mirror here. And since I already have some scrap, I'll be using this. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use any additional items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant, lighted Christmas decor turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make, and you can use this piece in any number of ways. You could use it as a centerpiece, a candle holder. You could use it as just as a lighted decor piece. You could put some ornaments in there, just any number of things. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.